the fastest way to speed up your manifestations. And here's the thing, I know most people are doing the complete opposite. You see, most people believe that taking action is the key to speeding up manifestation. Action is really important, but it's not the critical factor. The real magic is in emotional alignment. When you get to the right emotion, when you tune into the right feeling and create momentum on it, create depth of emotion, really goose it up, that's when you speed up your manifesting. So manifesting isn't just about thinking positively, it's about feeling positively. We can offer words without feeling anything. For example, if I see someone in the morning and I say good morning, I'm not really feeling that I'm blessing them with the words good morning. So it's the feeling that makes a difference to how fast we manifest things. So words don't matter. It's the emotion you need, and you can create the emotion in so many different ways that don't have to involve words. So manifesting is about feeling positively, going up the emotional scale. Your emotions are like a compass. They point you towards what you want. Now, the emotion of what you want is a positive emotion. So you've got to line up with a positive emotion in order for you to be in a place, in a trajectory where you can actually pull into your life the thing that you want. So if you're feeling frustration just now, if you're feeling doubt or impatience, you're actually slowing down the process. If you're looking around you to see where's the thing that I asked the universe for, you are slowing down the manifesting process. Instead of doing those things, start out by reaching for good feeling thoughts, good feeling emotions. And it really should not be a giant leap. That's not the objective. We're not looking at going from the bottom of the emotional scale right to the top of the emotional scale. That jump is really hard to make. Even for people who have been practicing this stuff for a very long time, making a jump is way harder. Go tiny, one step at a time, like a ladder, go up the emotional scale. That's how you're more stable emotionally. If you try to jump, you don't have as much stability as you would otherwise. So stop asking where it is and start focusing on feeling good right now. The better you feel and the longer you can hold that feeling, the faster what you want will show up in your life. I'm Zehra, and I want you to remember, all things are possible.